Evictions in Tennessee usually occur when a tenant hasn't paid rent, but landlords can also evict when their renters break the lease and refuse to correct the problem. Today we're talking about how to properly handle evictions without getting into legal trouble. We're also sharing some important ideas about how you can prevent getting into a situation like this with your tenants. When rent is officially late, try to call or communicate with your tenant. You can even use a collection agency to advise the tenant that rent has not been paid. Let the tenant know what has to happen for their account to be caught up. It's important to stay professional. You may be angry and you may want to take this personally, but remain calm and respectful. The end goal is to get the rent paid. At Omni, we rarely have to evict the tenants we place because we have a rigorous tenant screening process and a set of consistent, effective procedures that result in the timely payment of rent and the strictest lease compliance. Our tenants understand their responsibilities and our expectations. They also understand the consequences if those obligations are not met. A major advantage to using a professional property manager like Omni is that we have access to collection agencies and detainer attorneys to help ensure the eviction process is done correctly. A good real estate attorney focuses on removing non-paying tenants from properties. They're connected to the court system and they can get a court date quickly. You'll know what's happening from the court's perspective, you'll have access to professional and detailed documentation, and you won't have to worry that you're missing important legal steps. Check your lease. Unless you have a clause in your lease that allows for a 3-day period to pay or quit, you'll need to give your tenants 14 days to pay the rent or leave the property. All of your documentation needs to be perfect. There can be no mistakes if your case goes to court. As they say, time is money. A real estate attorney or a detainer attorney can move your eviction through the court system more quickly and for less money than you'd spend trying to manage the process on your own. Notices will be served within 48 hours by a professional and you'll have possession back within a month. Doing it yourself could take longer and cost you more. You're also more likely to make a mistake if you don't know the law. We work with a third-party agency that provides discounts to our clients who need to evict tenants. If you have any questions about the eviction process in Tennessee or you need help removing a non-paying tenant from your home, please contact us at Omni Realtors and Property Management.